Good morning. What's going on, Monopoly family? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, today's trade has been complete. I want to take you guys on this live trade. I actually executed the trade from start to finish and documented it for you guys. So hopefully you will get value in this video. And right now I'm just going through the chat room, the Monopoly chat room, show you the guys that follow my trading strategy and just show you the profits they've made. Now obviously this is the first loss of the chat room. So yeah guys, we traded this stock called SCHL based on the earner report strategy that I teach you, and obviously this is the profit for today, $800 made. But yeah guys, I want to just take you from start to finish and just show you the trade itself. So hopefully you will get value and hopefully you stick around to watch this video. So guys, let's get right into it and let's make some money. Alright guys, so let's get right into it. Let's jump right into the computer and let's make that trade. So some of you have seen the last video where 13 people flew over here to Malta to trade with me. They're now gone, so now I have time to make videos again and we're back here on YouTube. So the intro of this video might have seemed like I was trying to promote something, and the truth is I was trying to promote the course and the Discord chat. So guys, with that being said, let's get right into it. This is where the trade is going to happen from. This simple laptop based on the strategy that I've been teaching you. So guys, yesterday's trade was exactly like this trade I made earlier, and yesterday we made 1500 on that. And the reason why I say that is because I traded MLHR and the pullback that showed up was the same pullback, because I said after every spike comes a pullback, because you understand the psychology of traders, you understand how the fundamentals influences the spike, you understand if it's investors or traders that are pumping the price of the stock, you'll understand that traders will always leave when they take their profits, causing the stock to pull back. That's the psychology that I always talk about, and that's where you need to short based on that psychology. So let's do this guys, and let's go through this trade. Alright guys, so we're gonna be watching this stock, SCHL. Stock market's gonna open in a few seconds, and as usual the chat gets to know what we're trading. So few seconds to go and stock market opens. Now I'm wanting to short this on the pullback. Now I've got a checklist. Here's the big spike, as you can tell guys. All right, there's the big spike. Now I'm watching the price movements. And this is going to be a short position. I already know what I'm going to do. For me, it's going to be a short position. I'm waiting for it to spike even further, and the guidance isn't great, the earnings aren't great. So once it spikes further, I'm coming in with a short position. So I'm looking at the price, looking at the candlestick, and the way it's moving fast. There we go. Here's my short position, entered. I've got my risk managed 1 to 2%, volatility upwards, and now it's just a waiting game, because I don't believe this stock is worth the 7% increase it had pre-market. So it's struggling to spike, and I will be adding few more shares here. It's refusing to spike guys. Sometimes you can just look at the price instead of the candlestick, and it doesn't make a difference. It's the same thing guys. If you know how the price movement works, it's the same as the candlesticks. So we give it time. When the buyers die off guys and the shorts end up taking profits, we know what's going to happen, and that's that stock collapsing, maybe staying above the $40 mark, which is where it's at. But I entered a short position, so I might be able to take 40 cents or so. Okay, so it's being halted here, it doesn't want to do anything. So far I'm down 200, but that's okay. I've got the confidence in my strategy, in what I know. I've got that confidence guys, and I also have my risk management of 1% or 2% in this case. I'm giving it a little volatility. Now it's up 7%. I want to take that 1% guys, and I'll walk away. Let's look at the chat. The chat is already profiting, some of them. there's the shorts. Here's the shorts coming in, and we're now up in profit, $30. Okay. Now this is actually a recent folder I uploaded to the course. I explained all of these scenarios that can happen, and the psychology behind why I enter my short position. So here we are, guys. So far, $100 up. So if you have the course, guys, and you're part of the Discord chat, there's a course called, a new one added, called for advanced traders. So if you finish the course, then this will be going over the psychology. So look, once we break that round figure, this stock is going to collapse. Once it goes below 39, it's going to make a new low. Okay. Now, I actually just woke up, so I'm a little. So here we are now, $150, guys. Okay. So look at this figure. There we go. There's the new low. It just broke. Now it's going to go down even further. This figure isn't updating. There's a little glitch on this site, so I have to reload it. So yeah, we're up $288 so far. Okay, so I could take that profit and walk away, but again, this stock is supposed to go down to 5%, and it is making its way down to 5%. Let me show you the chat. Here's the chat, killing it, guys. Have a look. So far so good. Same trade. All right, so here we are, $300. Obviously it's quick, volatility is quick here. So I could have taken the profit if I wanted, but I'm too greedy. Here's more views, killing it. Well done, guys. Back $500. Here we go, guys. Okay, 500, 600. I'm ready to walk away. So we'll cover up with, so 544. Plenty of time for us to make money, guys. This is a trade that came about recently. Okay, so we're back to 400. So I don't need the price now. I'm just looking at the price. 400. Okay. So we're $500 up, 600, 800. Okay, let me go. Once I take this profit, guys, I'll show you the chat and how they're doing. So this here, it's gonna collapse even further. I think we'll take it in another 20 cents and we'll walk away. But I'm just being greedy. So I sold 200 out of the 600 position I have. Okay, so now we're back in, and that in total, guys, was 750 after the fees. Okay, and here's the chat, killing it on the same stock as me also. So I think it was 800 SCHL. Good job, guys. And that was 9 minutes. All right, so here's the chat, still doing the thing. They will follow the same strategy as me. All right, well done, guys. That's what I like seeing. That's how we do it on a Friday. Yeah, basically that same folder I uploaded, that same kind of setup I uploaded yesterday to the course, came up today. All right, and that's how you make 800 within 4 minutes, or 10 minutes at this stage. It's 10 minutes into market open. So more of these. I guess I'll just let this recorder keep doing its thing, and you get to watch these guys profit. Okay, that's the same trade I just made, guys. And obviously on the phone, you got the Discord chat also killing it. It's the same app. So again, if you want to join this Discord chat, have a look, guys. There's a link. It will be part of the course. So 800 there, guys, in the space of 10 minutes. And that was a big position. Alright, we'll leave it here, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Smash that like button if you watched this far. Alright guys, so that trade lasted 10 minutes. And you seen the chat, they all killed it, and you seen the guys saying, oh, this is my first green week, etc, etc. Now here's the thing, trading is all about probabilities. Matter of fact, that's what day trading specifically. It's all about probabilities. The odds are supposed to be in our favor, and the odds cannot be in your favor if you're using all these VWAPs and whatnot and complicating it. So you need to have an edge, somewhat of an edge over the market. We have an edge. We've got these 4 patterns. We perfect 2 of them, and that pattern, I traded that same pattern today and the same pattern yesterday. Before that, I was shorting pattern 4, and that's 2 patterns that I trade day after day. I know the psychology. I know the ins and outs. Right now, how do you become consistent in the stock market? Well, if that loss occurred for me and I have my 2% risk management, I would have taken that loss, because tomorrow I'll come back and make that money back, right? Because I do have the odds in my favor at this stage. And just remember, trading is all about probabilities. And at the end of the month, we have a balance sheet, we come out profitable, right? And some of you might watch this and disagree, that's okay, but you'll go around beating around the bushes trying to find out a strategy that works, and you'll always come back here. But by that time, it's too late. So, gotta go, guys. Appreciate you for watching. If you made this far, smashy. Continue practicing. The more trades you make, the more it will stick and make sense for you. Alright? That's my advice to end the video. Smashy if you made this far. I'll see you for more videos.